guys, I was super lazy to film myself, so here's my little voiceover. These are the supplies you're gonna need. I'm using pinks and reds for this plan with me. If you guys really like the idea, make sure to tell me down in the comments below. Basically, I wrote feBUarY in cursive. I just used one page because I work better with an outline rather than a day-to-day planner. I also outlined it because I thought it looked super cool and added some roses because, you know, February is all about love and Valentine's Day. Here I'm making a calendar with some red pen and a black pen. It's just a tiny little calendar, then a rose, and I wrote dates to remember underneath so I can like highlight days and then write the dates I need to know. Didn't really have too many this month. I decided to make these boxes. I made them all the same because I thought like it would just be a very uniform thing. And their video ideas, goals, things to do, I really like that. Just some inspiration when I'm feeling bored. And I put some doodles because like I wasn't feeling the artistic vibe, like the art ho vibe from this. So yeah, basically here's my whole plan with me. This is basically the outline. I filled out some things, some goals, got some things to do. If you guys liked it, make sure to leave a like. Also subscribe, go down there. It should be popping up somewhere here. If you want to see more of these, please comment down below. Let me know. I will do more of them. And I will see you guys next Friday with another video.